Hello everyone, Namaste. Today we will discuss about future continuous, or it is also called future imperfect. Why it is called future continuous? Because we anticipate or we hope that some work will be continued in the future. That's why it is called future continuous. Or if we say future imperfect, means the work will be not perfect in the future. That's why it is also called future continuous. Now the question comes, how to recognize that which sentence is in future continuous tense. So let's see. It is written that when the verb tells about the future happening to be continued, then we can understand that this is the future continuous tense. Now if we go to the next slide, there we will see examples. Here I have highlighted will be, and we have taken 4 sentences. I hope it will be helpful for understanding. Yeah, in the first one I have written, I will be studying in USA. Second, she will be measuring the height of a tree. Number 3, we will be donating our money to an NGO. Number 4, they will be clicking the landscapes of Columbia Plains. Here we can easily understand that the subject is I, she, we and they. And with all these subjects I, she, we and they, we have used will be. And the verb is before, studying, measuring, donating, and last one is the clicking. So let's see the future continuous tense, which verb is used. As we have discussed in the back slide, the verb is V4. It is also called V1 plus ing. Like go, going, say, saying, do, doing, talk, talking. In the next slide here, we have made a table. In this table, we are having 3 columns and 3 rows. In the first column, I have written person, second column singular, and the third column is plural. So first person singular number, first person plural number. Second person singular number, second person plural number. Third person singular number, third person plural number. As we have been discussing in the present tense, past tense and future, I mean future indefinite. And now finally we are coming to the future continuous. So here we will be having the same subjects as it is common to understand. So let's discuss one by one. First person singular, I shall be jumping. First person plural, we shall be jumping. When we were discussing in the simple future tense, there I had told you with I and we use shall in the common cases, and except I and we use will. So he, she, it, name, they and names. Here we use the will. But in the notes I will be telling you later that when the situation is specific, if this is compulsory, then we use the vice versa. Where we are using shall, then use the will, and where we are commonly using will, there we use shall. This is called exchanging, but it happens only in the special cases. Generally, in the normal cases, we use I shall, we shall, and other subjects we will use will. But if you think that you are little bit confused, then if you are using will with any subject, there is no problem. If you are using shall with any subject, there is no problem. So let's get ready for this conclusion. Second person singular number, you will be jumping. Second person plural number, you will be jumping. Now coming to the third person singular number, he will be jumping, she will be jumping, it will be jumping, Jay, and that is only one name, will be jumping. Now we are coming to the third person plural number, they will be jumping, and Piyush and Jayash will be jumping. So we have seen where we are using will be and where we are using shall be. Now going to the next. Here I have written attention. In special cases, We use shall with I and we, and will with he, she, it, name, names, you, and they. That we have discussed in the table just back. Now it is the time to know the structure. What will be the structure? Before the structure, we will understand what is the helping verb and what is the main verb in the future continuous tense. So the helping verb is here shall be or will be. Means anyone we can use in one sentence. The next is main verb, and we have discussed already. The main verb is V4, V1 plus ing form. The main is structure now. So what will the structure? Subject, sub, subject plus shall be or will be plus V4 and plus object. If you go with this structure, you can easily construct any sentence that we have discussed. That is total 6 type of sentences. Now coming to the 6 type of sentences that we have discussed now only. So let's see one by one. The number 1 is affirmative sentence. I will be buying a pen in the supermarket. Negative sentence. I will not be buying a pen in the supermarket. Number 3, interrogative. Will I be buying a pen in the supermarket? Interrogative negative sentence. Number 4. Will I not be buying a pen in the supermarket? WH. When will I be buying a pen in the supermarket? And number last, WH negative. When will I not be buying a pen in the supermarket? In this way, 6 type of sentences we have discussed, and we have seen how the sentences are made. Affirmative, negative, interrogative, interrogative negative, WH and WH negative. If you have watched the previous videos, there I have told you the structure of every type of sentences. Either it is affirmative, negative, interrogative, interrogative negative, WH or WH negative. So please watch that video and you can make the structure of every type of sentence. The next we are coming is try it. Make 6 type of sentences with the following. And here I have given you only small task of 2 sentences. The first one is I will be saving a dying dog on the road. The next one is they will be helping the villagers for their good education. So these 6 type of sentences can be formed with the help of these given 2 sentences, and total will be 12 sentences. So let's hope for your best. Thank you.